It's picture perfect! What's up, guys? Today I want to teach you how to trim out a window in a tiny house. And in fact, this method can be used in any house, but we use it in our tiny houses and we don't have any problems with moving, flexing, cracking, falling off, things falling apart, or any of that stuff. So here's what you need to get started. First, you're going to need to grab a brad nailer, a tape measure, 2 tubes of caulk, and a chop saw. And obviously your trim or whatever it is you're gonna make the window out of. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the window that we're gonna trim out today. You're gonna wanna grab your tape measure. And you're gonna wanna take some quick measurements. You're gonna wanna measure the width and the height of your opening. And then you're gonna wanna take off about 1/4 inch from each of those measurements so that you have nice movement and placement. And I'll show you why that's important when we start to build the whole frame and extension. We're going to build it as one piece. And from there, we're going to take off 1/4 inch from each side. So we'll go 48 1/4 by 36 1/4. And let's cut some wood. So I've gone ahead and cut all of our jam extension pieces. These are the pieces that are actually going to sit inside the window, and they're going to create the interior portion, and then we're going to put trim around the outside. So I'm going to go cut that right now. Okay, so I got my trim and I've got my jam extensions. Now I'm going to start to put the thing together. Alright, well, now that I got it all nailed together, you can see it's almost picture perfect. Alright, so this is our finished product prior to us installing it inside. I went ahead and I sanded these down as well. After you get everything mitered together, sometimes it's a good idea to take a palm sander and just buzz these corners down nice and smooth before you put it in. Put some wood putty in here or something. But the bottom line is you want to get it nice and smooth so that you don't have to mess with it once it's in the house. All right, let's go put this inside. Okay, so here's our picture frame. We want to test it out first before we put it in, of course, permanently. Yeah, that is a nice fit. Now, one of the other things that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your tape measure around here and really center this in the window before you go and glue it and nail it home. But this is where the glue comes in handy. So we're going to put some caulk glue on the back side of here, and just some dabs will do. About 3 on each side is plenty. Set this up in here, push it firmly against the wall, kind of move that glue around a little bit and get it nice and settled in. And then you take some overall measurements. Just to make sure you're nice and square. And then, when you're ready, hold your measurement. In our case, it's going to be 1 inch. Okay, do the same thing on the other side. There you have it. A window is installed. Well, listen, I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Click the button below, and I'll see you on the next video.